Hey guys, my name is Emily and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing the March Bellabox unboxing. This month is super exciting because it's purple and I love this shade of purple. It is my favorite, but it is purple temporarily for the month of March to celebrate International Women's Day, which I think is really amazing. And March is my birth month. I recently turned 25 and I'm feeling all wise and stuff. So yeah, March is good. March is good. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up for me. Consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss a video that I post. Now, if you want to see what is inside the March Purple Bellabox, then just keep watching. Now, this video is no surprise to me. I always cannot help myself and I always have a look before I film because I'm impatient and I've been super busy. I took 2 months off work and I'm casual, so I didn't get paid for 2 months. So pretty much since I've been back from overseas, I've done nothing but work this little butt off to try and get some funds together. So I have been super busy and I haven't really been filming anything. This is actually the first thing I've filmed since before I left. But yeah, I got this and I just couldn't help myself, as you could imagine. So as always, I have my little letter from Bellabox, which is super cute and basically just says thank you, hope you like it, blah blah blah. Then we have the product card. So this month is Superpower Beauty, which I really like. On the back of this card, it has all the product information. If you've watched my Bellabox unboxing videos before, you'll know that I kind of just pull something out and then read it off the card so you know what's going on. My already opened. I'm not even gonna pretend that I didn't open it because y'all know I did. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm pulling out of the Bellabox is the goat skincare. So this looks like a soap bar made with goat's milk. So this is the goat skincare. It is a soap bar. It is made with goat's milk for soft and healthy skin, a gentle formula suitable for dry, itchy and sensitive skin. And it's 100 grams and it has a little goat on it. Super cute. So on the back of the card, it says the Goat Skincare Soap Bar, enriched with fresh Australian goat's milk that is ethically farmed and palmito-free. Not sure what that is. The gentle formula in this soap bar makes for a creamy leather and soft texture, which is suitable for dry, itchy and sensitive skin. The 100 gram bar recommended retail price is $3.60, so that's really affordable. It is available at Terry White Chemist Priceline and thegoatskincare.com.au. It doesn't have a strong smell, which I think is good. I have used a goat soap bar before, like a goat milk soap bar. I didn't love it. It wasn't from this brand though. It was from a different brand and it was a while ago. But I remember it leaving my skin feeling kind of sticky. You know, if you have those soap bars and you wash yourself with it and your skin feels kind of almost tacky, I hate that. Like, it is a pet hate. I cannot use soap that feels tacky. So I'm hoping this one doesn't do the same thing, but there's only one way to find out, and that is to try it out. So I will have to keep you guys posted on my Instagram or something to see if that has the same kind of tacky feeling on my body. So the next thing I pulled out is by Modelco. It is a longwear lipstick and this is gonna take me a minute to unpackage. I like when stuff comes in the clear pack so you know it hasn't been used or touched. But I really just hate unwrapping them. Actually, that one wasn't too bad. Just kidding. Oh, look at this color. So on the back of the card, it says Modelco Luxe Creme Longwear Lipstick. I never know how to say cream with like a little dash thing. Like, is it creme or is it cream? I don't know. So it says, we are celebrating superpowered beauty this month at Bellabox, and nothing empowers women more than rocking a statement lip. This creamy lip smoothing formula delivers buildable, highly pigmented color that lasts all day so you can confidently take on the world. Everyone got one of these in their Bellabox and everyone would have either received the color Sienna or Amelia. I got the color Amelia, like a brownie kind of color. I might actually put it on now. Recommended retail price for this is $17 and that is available at modelcocosmetics.com. I'm gonna try this out, but I have some gloss on, so I might wipe this off. This color might be a little bit too intense for my pale skin, but I'm an empowered woman, so I'm gonna try it on anyway. I like the shade. It looks good. So because I have bright lights on so that you can see what's going on in the camera, my face looks way whiter on the viewfinder and what you are probably going to see than it does in the mirror, and I'm a fan. It actually really goes well with the colors I went with on my face today. This feels like really creamy. It's not sticky. When I first started putting it on, it kind of felt a little bit sticky, but now that it's on, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It's super pigmented, which is good because normally like these creamy kind of lipsticks are sheer. As you can tell, I'm a fan. Okay, so the next product that I'm pulling out of my Bellabox is from Tilley, and it is a Tahitian frangipani hand and nail cream. That sounds so nice. So on the back of the card, it says, Tilley's classic white range of hand and nail creams are available in an array of lush, fragrant combinations. Enriched with vitamin E, shea butter, and sweet almond oil, this moisturizing lotion will leave your hands protected, nourished, and super soft. You will receive one of the following creams: coconut and lime, Tahitian frangipani, peony rose, pink lychee, vanilla bean, or Tasmanian lavender. I think my first pick would probably be vanilla bean, but I have some Tahitian, I think I'm saying that wrong, but you know, Tahitian frangipani on the back of my hand, and it smells really nice. So I'm just putting that all over my hands right now. Actually, that smells really good. Really nice. I have never been big on hand creams, not because I don't like them, but just because I always forget until I was in Canada and it was so damn cold that my hands were really dry and really cracked, and like my cuticles were literally just bleeding because they were so dry and cold. So ever since I've been to Canada, I've actually been fully into hand cream. So this one is going in my handbag. So my little hand cream is a 45 ml, but for a full-size item, which is 125 mils, the recommended retail price is $11.95, and it's available at tilleysoaps.com.au. The only thing I don't like about hand creams is like waiting for them to dry, because I don't like touching stuff like when they're sticky. Okay, so the next product that I'm pulling out of my Bellabox is eye lights from Modelco. I literally just put moisturizer on and now I need to try and get this plastic off. So this looks like a black glittery cream eyeshadow maybe. On the back of the card it says, what's this? Double Modelco? We get 2 Modelco products, can you believe it? You best believe it, Bella Babe, and this one is an extra treat. Eye lights are a super versatile, lightweight cream eyeshadow that glides on easily and sets with a smooth, glittery finish. Perfect for adding definition to your lash line or creating a bold metallic look. So you will receive one of the following eyeshadows, St. Bart's or Granite. And I got Granite, which is like a black with glitter flecks through it. And the recommended retail price for this little bad boy is $19. Also available at modelcocosmetics.com. I'm gonna do like a little swatch thing going on. Let's see what it looks like. So this first one was just done really dodgily so you could see it while I did it on camera, and then I did a better one just looking at it properly. So it's not fully black, but it is definitely glittery. I think this will be really cute for like a fully intense smoky eye, putting this like in the outer corner and blending it out. I'm gonna have a play with this and see how it goes. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is from NYX. I love NYX, it's one of my favorite brands. So this is the Greentea blotting paper. I really enjoy blotting paper. I haven't used the NYX one, but I've used, I think, maybe one from e.l.f. or another brand. And I always say to myself that I need to buy some and keep it in my handbag because I get so oily. Like, Halfway through my shift at work, I look like a greasy mess because at home I'm getting ready, I'm like, yeah, glow, glow, glow. But I work night shift, so getting to like midnight, 1 AM, my face just looks foul. So I'm going to put these in my handbag so I can not look as greasy and feral at work. So on the back of the card, it says, easily combat shine and remove excess oils with NYX Professional Makeup Blotting Paper Sheets made from 100% pure pulp paper. Woo, try and say that 10 times really fast. Simply pull a sheet from the handy pocket-sized compartment and press onto oily areas of your face to freshen your look and leave you with a gorgeous matte skin finish. You will receive one of the following blotting papers: matte blotting paper or green tea blotting paper. So as you heard before, I got the green tea one, and the recommended retail price for 50 sheets is $6.95, and that's available at priceline.com.au and nyxcosmetics.com.au. So how these work, oh, they're actually green. There's like a little front guard going on there, but basically you pull out a sheet and it looks like this. It's like a little green. It almost feels like baking paper, but really, really thin baking paper. 1/8 of the thickness of baking paper. So you grab the sheet, and because it is hot up in this bitch, I am a little bit oily, and you basically like put it on your face. Like you blot all the excess oils and stuff. So as you can see, that is literally where I just blotted my forehead. You could see where my hands were pressing it in. But these sheets are really great to keep your look super fresh all night. So if you do get greasy, these are a great option because it literally just soaks up all the excess stuff. I mean, I literally only put my makeup on like an hour ago just to film this video, and look at all that excess oil that one sheet took off. So you could imagine I could go through a few of these after it's been on for more than an hour. Okay, the very last thing that I'm pulling out of my Bellabox is from Nature's Common Sense, and sense is spelled like sense, like, yeah, pretty handy. If that makes sense. It's not like common sense, it's common sense. Anyway, this is the Pore Body Wash with vitamin E. Leaves your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. No sulfates, no parabens. Free from polybeads and made in Australia. Okay, so on the, oh, that was like a little bonus item. So the first 5 items were like the items that you get in the box. And then they normally throw in bonus, and they're in like foil packets and sample sizes. So this is a bonus I got in my box this month, which is, like I said, the Nature's Common Sense Pore Body Wash. So that's cool. I love these samples. They are so good for traveling. I have a drawer full of samples, and if I'm ever going to a friend's house, or if I'm staying in the city for a couple of nights, or I'm going like actually traveling, I just reach into my drawer and grab all these goodies. It's so much fun. So guys, that is everything that I got in the Superpower Beauty March Bellabox, which, like I said in the beginning, is purple to celebrate, oh Jesus, I'm throwing shit everywhere, but yeah, like I said, it is celebrating International Women's Day, which is in the beginning of March, which is a great idea because women should empower each other and, you know, real women fix each other's crowns and all that jazz. I love that stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm forever posting like empowering, self-love, women, yeah, the girls kind of posts. I just absolutely love quotes and positivity and inspiring and empowerment and all that jazz. So you would know that if you have me on Instagram. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed my Bellabox unboxing. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next video that I post. Bye! Mwah.